To get started with Revolut SWIFT transfers, it is essential to understand the basics of the process. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication and is a global messaging network used for cross-border payments. First, ensure you have a Revolut account and that you are eligible for SWIFT transfers. Check your account settings to confirm if this feature is available to you. Next, gather the required information for the recipient, including their name, bank address, SWIFT code, and account number. The SWIFT code is an 8 or 11-character code that identifies the recipient's bank. When initiating a SWIFT transfer, select the currency you want to transfer and enter the recipient's details. Double-check the information for accuracy, as errors can lead to delayed or failed transfers. It is also crucial to understand the fees associated with SWIFT transfers. Revolut charges a flat fee for outgoing SWIFT transfers, and the recipient's bank may also charge a fee. To minimize fees and ensure a smooth transfer, use the correct SWIFT code and ensure the recipient's bank accepts SWIFT transfers. Additionally, be aware of the transfer limits and processing times. Revolut typically processes SWIFT transfers within 1 to 3 business days, but this can vary depending on the recipient's bank and location. Best practices for Revolut SWIFT transfers include verifying the recipient's details, using the correct SWIFT code, and being aware of the fees and transfer limits. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful and efficient SWIFT transfer using Revolut. It is also recommended to check the exchange rates before initiating a transfer, as Revolut may offer competitive rates compared to traditional banks. In conclusion, Revolut SWIFT transfers can be a convenient and cost-effective way to send money across borders. By understanding the process, gathering the required information, and following best practices, you can make the most out of this feature and enjoy a seamless transfer experience.